Hey guys, this is Tim again, back for another cryptocurrency update. I'm trying to release one video a day on what I think is the best setup in the cryptocurrency space based on technical analysis. So today I want to talk about Ethereum against Bitcoin breaking out or bouncing at a support level, and I think we're going to see some bullish action in Ethereum. So what happened in the last 2 months is that Ethereum basically crashed steadily down from those highs in June at about 1500ths of a Bitcoin and reached this trend line, interestingly enough, coming up from April, May, and June, and we tapped that trend line oh so perfectly, oh so sweetly, and we're kind of bouncing along it now. Now, if it breaks that trend line, that's a bearish sign, but I think the pot odds are in the bulls' favor. We've crashed a long way, we've come down. I think now is the time where buyers are going to step in at this trend line support, and we have some momentum in our other favorite coin. Of course, here we have Bitcoin. As everyone knows, that's breaking out of the big 3,000 number, and that is giving a lot of momentum to the crypto space. And when Bitcoin goes up, most other coins follow, and one of the biggest coins out there is Ethereum. So that is probably going to get some new momentum once those people in Bitcoin take their profits, maybe at a higher level. They're probably going to put some of that money into Ethereum, and that means Ethereum's going to see a rise. It's actually looking pretty healthy down here, kind of just hovering around that line, seeing some positive signs out of Ethereum. And what I'm looking for, guys, is a nice big bounce to go back up and try and retest those highs up around 1500s. So where's my target? Well, I'm going to take profits a little earlier, at least half of my profits. That's always a good strategy. Do not wait till the last minute. Don't try to nick the top of the mountain, because you're probably gonna miss it. So take some profits early. I'm looking at the 50% retracement at around 11 or 1200ths of a Bitcoin, and going to take half my profits there if it looks healthy, all of my profits if it's looking weak. But if it looks good, if it consolidates around there, then we probably will see one more jump up to those previous highs, where probably a lot of people are going to take profits. Just like in Bitcoin at 3,000, we'll probably see some consolidation, and maybe one day it breaks out, maybe soon. But for this move, my target is about 50% to 12 or 100% at 15. And one more good sign, we have the RSI down here. It did not hit oversold. Now, many people like to buy when RSI hits oversold, but that's actually a bearish sign, because that means momentum is strong in a negative direction. Sure, you might get a bounce, but it could just continue lower. So the fact that it didn't hit oversold is a really great sign, guys, for a bullish bounce off of this trend line. So once again, we got Ethereum breaking out of that downward trend. It's bouncing off of that trend line support from April and May. The moving average is also slanting up, so it looks generally there's some healthy undercurrent. There's tailwind to this bounce, and the RSI did not reach oversold. That means that momentum never reached really negative levels, and people are excited to buy. So we're looking for a bounce. Make your stop that trend line about 600ths or 0.06, 0.07. If it crashes below that line, then maybe consider getting out. But I'm looking for a bounce, and if the profits come out of Bitcoin, I think that's what we'll see. Cool, guys. So leave me some comments about what you think about my analysis. Let me know your targets and your ideas. I'm just starting this channel, so hopefully get my production values better and better as we go along. And check out my email and drop me a line if you got any ideas, and see you tomorrow.